Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to do breakout rooms in Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So I'm going to starting a new meeting here, and I'm clicking on more and clicking on breakout rooms, and now you can create 5 breakout room or 10. So give here the amount of breakout rooms you want to create, and you can select here assign automatically, assign manually, or you can select let participant choose room. So I'm going to selecting here assign manually, and I'm clicking on create. So here, as you can see, I have successfully created 5 breakout rooms, and if you want to create more rooms, click on add a room, and room will be created, and you can hover above the room to change the rename. You can delete a room by clicking on delete button, and click on open all rooms to opens all your rooms, and you can broadcast message to all by clicking here. And after that, you can join to any room by clicking on this join. Yes. So as you can see, I have successfully joined in a breakout room, and to leave from the breakout room, click on leave room, leave breakout room. So this is how we can do breakout rooms in Zoom. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.